Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF of three numbers 12, 15 and 40. Before finding the LCM or the HCF, we are going to find the factors of the numbers separately. So that's 12, 15 and 40. So first we'll find the factors of 12 and we'll divide it by prime numbers. So 2 times 6 is 12. Now 2 times 3 is 6 and 3 is a prime number. 3 times 1 is 3. So let's write the factors of 12 as 12 equals 2 times 3 times 1. Now we'll find the factors of 15. 15 is an odd number. It is divisible by 3. 3 times 5 is 15 and 5 times 1 is 5. So 15 equals 3 times 5 times 1. Next we'll find the factors of 40. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5 is 10 and 5 times 1 is 5. Factors of 40 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 1. So first of all we'll find the HCF in between the three numbers. So HCF is the highest common factor. So we'll first circle the common factors in between the three numbers. So let's circle the common factors. The common factors here in the three numbers is nothing but only number 1. So the HCF of three numbers is 1. Before proceeding to find the LCM, we are going to write the numbers in terms of their exponents. Factors of 12 will be 2 square times 3. Factors of 15 will be 3 times 5. And the factors of 40 are 2 raised to power 3 times 5. Now to find the LCM, we multiply highest powers of all the factors. So the highest power of 2 is 2 raised to power 3 in 40. So that's 2 raised to power 3. Highest power of 3 is 3. And highest power of 5 is 5. To find the LCM, we take the product of highest power of all the factors. So the highest power of 2 is 2 raised to power 3 or 2 cube times 3 times 5. That's 8 times 3 times 5. That will be 8 times 15 and 8 times 15 is 120. So the LCM of three numbers 12, 15 and 40 is 120. So this is how we find LCM and HCF of three numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.